Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 that is greater than 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus pi by 3 is point of local minima. Local minimum value will be f of minus pi by 3. 2 sin minus pi by 3, x is minus pi by 3. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta and minus minus plus sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2. So we get minus root 3 plus pi by 3. Now check the second derivative for the point pi by 3. Minus 2 sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2 minus root 3 that is less than 0. Therefore, pi by 3 is point of local maxima. Local maximum value f of pi by 3. 2 sin pi by 3 minus pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2. So we get root 3 minus pi by 3. Note it down. Now next one. Show that none of the following function has local maxima or a local minimum. First part is function given is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Second part is function is e power x. And third is f of x is log of x. Now take the first derivative. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. अगर हम इस फंक्शन को 0 के इक्वल रखें, then we have to check for the value of x. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2 into 3. So we get imaginary values. So f dash x is not equals to 0. F dash x is not equals to 0 for any real value of x. Therefore, fx has neither local maxima nor local minima. अगर किसी x की रियल वैल्यू के लिए फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव 0 के इक्वल ही नहीं होगा, then how can we solve further? Therefore, fx has neither local maximum value nor local minimum. Now, second is f dash x ex. अगर हम फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव को 0 के इक्वल रखें, किस वैल्यू के लिए अगर हम e की वैल्यू 1 भी पुट करें, that is e not equal to 0. Therefore, f dash x is not equals to 0. Therefore, fx has neither maximum nor minimum value. Neither maximum nor minimum value. Clear? Now next is log of x. अगर हम इसका डेरिवेटिव लें 1 upon x, अगर 1 upon x को 0 के इक्वल हो सकता है, x 0 ही नहीं होगा. अगर x की मिनिमम वैल्यू 1 भी होगी तो 1. Therefore, f dash x is not equals to 0. Then same function has neither maximum nor minimum value. Next is cos of x. Function is equals to cos of x. Limit lies between 0 to pi. Derivative of cos is minus sin x. Sin x को अगर हम 0 के इक्वल पुट करते हैं, sin x is equals to 0. function lies between 0 to pi. Sin 0 is for 0 और pi, बट हमें लिमिट गिवन है 0 से बड़ी और pi से x की वैल्यू छोटी होनी चाहिए. इट मीन्स f dash x is not equal to 0. क्लियर? साइन 0 कब होगा? 0 के लिए, पाई के लिए, 2 पाई के लिए एंड सो ऑन. बट हियर x शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0 बट लेस देन पाई. तो साइन की ऐसी कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं है जो 0 के इक्वल हो बिटवीन दीज लिमिट्स. Therefore, f dash x not equals to 0. It means fx has neither maximum nor minimum value. Note it down. Now the next one. If y is equals to ax minus b, x minus 1, x minus 4 has turning point p 2 minus 1, find the values of a and b, show that y is maximum at p. Multiply x square minus 4 minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. V square u dash v minus v dash u. यही आया हमारे पास. Now we have to find the value at the point 2 minus 1. X is 2. 2 square 5 into 2 minus 2 into 2 4 minus 5 2a minus b. 2 square 5 into 2. So what we get? 4 plus 4 8 minus 2a minus minus plus 1. 8 minus 10, 2 square is 4. So minus b upon 4. Now at p is equals to 0 because it is the turning point. So minus b by 4 0, we get b as 0. Now point 2 minus 1 lies on curve. Y is minus 1, x is 2. A into 2, b is 0. X is 2, 2 minus 1. 2a 1 4 minus 2 minus 2. So minus a is equals to minus 1. So we get a as 1. A is 1 and b is 0. Now we have to show that y is maximum. So find the second derivative now. First derivative we have a, put the value of a 1, x square minus 5x plus 4 minus 2x minus 5a is 1, b is 0. So we get value of first derivative as x square minus 5x plus 4 minus 2x square minus minus plus 5x x square minus 5x plus 4 whole square. 5x will get cancelled. Minus x square plus 4 upon x square minus 5x plus 4 whole square. This is the value of first derivative. Now we want to find second derivative. V square power 4 u dash derivative of minus x square minus 5x plus 4 whole square minus derivative of this is derivative of x square into minus x square plus 4 as it is. Note up to here first. Now solve this value. Minus 2x. Take x square minus 5x plus 4 and 2 common. Here we are left with minus x into 2 is common. This is common. So minus, multiply these terms. Minus 2x cube 4 into 2 minus minus plus minus 5 into 4 upon x square minus 5x plus 4 power 4. Now this is common, so we get cancel this term. So 2 into minus x cube minus minus plus minus plus 2x cube minus 5x square minus 8x plus 20 upon x square minus 5x plus 4 whole cube. Minus 1 plus 5 will get cancelled. Minus 12x plus 20 upon x square minus 5x plus 4 cube. Now we want to find the second derivative at the point P, that was 2 minus 1. Put the value of x as 2. 2 cube 12 into Now the next one, show that maximum value of 1 by x power x is e power 1 by v. Let y as this, taking log on both sides, then we get x log of 1 upon x. यही आया हमारे पास. We can write it as log a upon b. Log a minus log b. Log 1 has value 0. So we get minus x log of x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log of y. First function derivative of second plus second derivative of first. Clear? Now dy upon dx. Y is 1 by x power x minus 1 plus log of x. Put first derivative equal to 0. We get this term equals to 0. This should not be equal to 0. So 1 plus log x is equals to 0. 1 upon e. Now find the second derivative. Let this as y minus y into 1 plus log of x. First function derivative plus y as it is, derivative of 1 is 0, log x is 1 upon x. Now put the value. D square y upon dx square minus dy upon dx is minus y 1 plus log x plus y upon x. Take y common. So y is 1 upon x power x minus minus plus and minus here. Is it clear? So what we get? 1 plus log of x square. We can write it as x power minus x upon x. So we get this term. Now check the value of second derivative at the point 1 upon e. 1 plus log e. X is 1 upon e power we get this term So we can write it as e power minus 1 power minus 1 upon e. 1 x is 1 upon e. So we can write it as log of 1 minus log of e minus e power minus 1 minus 1 upon e minus 1. So what we get in the next step? E power minus minus plus 1 upon e. Log 1 is 0. 1 minus log e square minus e power minus minus plus 1 upon e minus minus plus 1. So e power 1 by e minus log e square log e has value 1, so put the value here. This is 0 minus e power 1 by e plus 1. This value is negative, so less than 0. So 1 by e is the point of local maxima. One by e is the point of local maxima. Local maximum value will be f of 1 upon e. Function was 1 upon x power x. 1 upon e power 1 upon e, that is e power 1 by e. Maximum value is e power 1 by e. Now the next one. Question number 8. Show that sine power p cos power q theta attains a maximum when theta is tan inverse root p by q. First find the first derivative. Let this function as y. U into v rule. Derivative of u. P sin p minus 1, derivative of sine is cos into cos q plus sin p as it is, derivative of this is cos q minus 1, derivative of cos is minus sine. So we can write it as p sin p minus 1 cos q plus 1 negative q sin p plus 1 cos q minus 1. Now take sin p and cos q common. P sin p minus 1 cos q plus 1. So we get cos upon sine here. If we take sin p minus 1 and cos q minus 1 common, then we are left with cos q minus 1. So here we are left with